Alright guys, today is Black Friday. We're gonna be going to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna be getting stuff for the garage. And yeah, the garage is still a fucking mess, but I'm gonna be working on this real soon, okay? So we're gonna do a garage clean out pretty soon. And then I'm getting basically like a workbench and then a like tool drawer for the garage. So we'll finally have everything organized and it'll finally be like a legit place to work on cars. So that's what we're doing today. I'm about to go pick up my boy and we're about to head over there. Hopefully everything can fit in the Subaru. Alright guys, we just hit 1,000 miles in the WRX. We're done with the braking period now. Second gear full. Jesus, I'm already at like fucking 8. She's quick. Now if only everyone else merged at like highway speed in the state, the cops right there. Alright guys, we have arrived at Harbor Freight and shit, and it's Black Friday, so there's people around, but there's not that many people because we live in a lowly, densely populated area. Did that make sense? Lowly, densely?
No.
We live in a low populated area.
We live in the sticks.
Yeah, there's a bunch of hillbillies, so they're all buying trucks and shit. Something. I might buy both, or I might just buy one. We'll see how it goes, because I don't know if they'll fit in the car. Alright guys, I did a thing. Check it out. And it fits in my car. So we got on the bottom the workbench. So now we can do car stuff on a designated table finally. And it has like outlets and shit on it. And then up top we got the it's like a roller with like drawers, and it's for tool storage. So we got both. Finally, I got a place to put my tools, and I got somewhere to work on car parts on, finally. So I think we're gonna set maybe at least one up today. We'll see, it depends on how much room we have in the garage right now, but it's kind of messy, so. But yeah, and all this came out to like 200 bucks, which is insane. So, Black Friday is kind of crazy. Back in the house, his house. We're gonna bring this in. Got all the whips. So many whips. All 4. These 2 are slow though.
Oh, you're that asshole.
That one doesn't run yet. Well, it runs, but
that makes it the slowest.
Can't drive it more than 5 minutes. Well, it's faster those 5 minutes. Shit. Check out this hot action right here going on. Got some of that hot action right here. Yo, turn that shit over, boy. Okay. So we got this shit locked. That's the sex couch right there. Right? No? Yo, what is that? The legs. So we're just gonna build this one today. Come on, focus. You can do it. You've been great up until now. Here we go. So yeah, we're just gonna build this one today.
Oh, I've seen that one.
Yeah, you have? Me too.
Let's put together the bottom piece first. And then we'll move, because this is all that really needs to be put together. Then we'll move both of them downstairs separately. 4 drawers. Beautiful things. You know.
Oh yeah.
Fun shit.
We should be good with all the tools. Alright guys, we finished. We attached the whole piece together. It's here in the garage now. And it took a while, but as you can see, everything is nice and organized and shit. And now we'll like never lose a tool ever again. So yeah.
Except for when we already lost.
Alright. But yeah, I'm gonna end it off here. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm tired of shit. Peace out.